to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So come with me to spend the day. I just decided to make a vlog out of nowhere. So we hired a van for our family outing, and then when we arrived there we started to set up our things, our food, our bag and etc. Next I was super hungry, so I started to eat. After that we had sweet potato and steamed chicken, and then we had tofu. And then I had ice cream, and honestly these foods were offered by a Chinese. They gave us the tofu and steamed chicken, which was super tasty. And next I went to swim. It was super relaxing and we were having so much fun. Honestly, I could not get to film too much because I was mostly having fun, so I did not go to film. So that's the shortest vlog.